Struggling with bad lighting for your videos? Let me share with you my simple yet powerful and affordable light setup I imported from China. Watch through the video because I'm also going to share with you the amount I spent on each light and how you can get yours affordably too. My name is Jim. I'm a pharmacy technician and a video creator who helps medical brands, especially pharmacies, looking to grow their social media presence using the power of video. I also sell authentic content creation tools. So if you need tripod stands, microphones, video lights, look no further, I'm your plug. So let's dive right in today's video. Number one is my main light. I use the YM600SS, the multi-purpose professional studio light. It provides up to 100 watts of power and it's rated CRI 97. If you're wondering what CRI means in lighting and why you should even consider it when buying a video light, don't worry, I got you. CRI is the color rendering index of your light. This is the ability of the light to preserve natural consistent colors even after post-production of your video. The gold standard figure to consider is at least 95 and above. If you want to learn more about the CRI, check out the video I made in the first comment below. This YM600SS has different color temperatures to allow me switch between bright white and warm sunny all orange. It comes with a remote to allow me have remote control over the light even up to 10 meters away. The remote also allows me switch between modes like the party mode, slow fade, or to increase and dim the light. This light needs two accessories, that is the softbox grid and the light stand. So the softbox grid helps me cut out the shadows, and the light stand, of course, this is where the light stands. And this light will cost you up to 550,000 Ugandan shillings with all accessories inclusive, but with the different retailers it may go up to something of 700,000 Ugandan shillings. Number two is the fill light, also known as the room light. This one here is the rechargeable video light that I use to remove shadows on my left cheek, created by the main light on the right. With only 10 watts, this light alone is surprisingly super bright to help me achieve my lighting needs even during a live stream or a video call during an online class. It's an RGB light, so I can adjust colors depending on the scene. And when shooting for clients, the client's lighting needs are easy to meet, whether it's about brand colors or even just mood. So I simply attach it to this cheap tripod stand and put it on top of my studio speaker here, and it works just fine. This fill light will cost you 150,000, but the price can go higher depending on which retailer you buy from. And lastly is the background light, also known as the practical light. This is the exact model, just like my fill light on my left, but I put it in the background to separate myself from the rest of the background. I love two things about this light model. Number one, its RGB functionality. I'm able to adjust colors, especially the background color, depending on my needs or my client's needs. Also, I love the fact that they are rechargeable. They provide somewhere between 45 minutes of power to 1 hour of continuous lighting, even at 100% brightness. That's crazy. I'm actually able to still capture a project using these two lights alone. This budget is still way below under some lights like the Godox or the Amaran, which normally go for something of $1 million plus Ugandan shillings. So if you're still watching, I thank you so much. I hope you learned one thing or two about lighting. If you didn't learn anything, Munange, also let me know. I'll catch you in the next video. Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow the channel for more videos just like this. And if you ever feel like it's time to upgrade your lighting setup, send me a DM and I'll help you set up your dream light studio. Peace. See you in the next one.